Hello everybody, I'm CM Master and I'm back for a reaction. I'm here to react to Monsta Fantasia. This was released 17 hours ago or something like that. Already 4.2 million subscribers. Now this is what's weird. So I just got the notification on my phone that it was up and ready to listen to. So I was like, oh, I have to react to this. Little did I know that this came out 17 hours ago. But nonetheless, let's just react to it. See how it is. And with my wine, let's just get right into it. Monsta Fantasia. Blast off.
Fantasia, Fantasia.
Fantasia? Fantasia.
Yeah, always I kill. Fantastic, that's me cause I slay. Top of the top, my level is A. 내 자신과의 싸움을 수차례 반복해. Let's just make a deal.
Oh, that lighter.
무너뜨리고 다시 해집어놔. It goes like bell. 당겨 방아쇠 무릎 꿇지 않아. 꺾이지 않아 난. 뜨겁게 타올라. 멀어져봐 세게. 묶어봐도 세게. 막아봐 if you can. Fantasia. Do me raise it. Feel what I'm blazing. 다시 기억해내. Fantasia. Let me be a fantasy. Bring it back, back, back. Bring it back, back, back.
No.
Let me be a fantasy. Bring it back, back, back. Bring it back, back, back. Sir, I'm good, huh? Yo, I go loco. 급이 달라, 우린 check my flow, huh? 아인 보통 나의 스타일이 니들의 motto. 박차를 갈 배려처럼 매력 우린 속도를 올려 차원이 다른 level. Yo, who gon' stop us? Who gon' stop us? 저리 비켜, we go first.
Oh yeah, the hip drop.
It goes like bell. 다시 달릴게. 우리지 않아. 마지막까지 나. 더 뜨겁게 타올라. 멀어져봐 세게. 묶어봐도 세게. 막아봐 if you can. Fantasia. Feel me raise it. Feel what I'm blazing. 다시 기억해내. Fantasia. 나를 깨워 가득 채워 gotta get up. 나를 깨워 가득 채워 gotta get up. 망설임 따윈 난 anymore. 좀처럼 다시 we on a roll. 이게 내 운명이니까. 더 뜨겁게 타올라. 멀어져봐 세게. 묶어봐도 세게. 막아봐 if you can. Fantasia. 두려움이 raise it. Feel what I'm blazing. 다시 기억해내. Fantasia. Let me be.
That's how it is in the clubs, guys.
Bring it back, back, back. Bring it back, back, back. Let me be a fantasy. Bring it back, back, back. Bring it back, back, back.
Yo. Alright, what it is. Okay. That's pretty cool. The chorus and everything, it kind of reminded me like I don't know why with this music video and this song itself, it reminds me of the classic TVXQ. A little bit. It has that type of feel. I don't know why. Just at this moment, it just felt like it. So I was like, ooh, back with it again. Alright, but anyway, I really like that. It was pretty cool. Dope. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. I'm gonna end it there. It's late in the night-ish. Not really. It's like, what is it, 8 o'clock or something? But anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. I enjoyed the song. I really did. The music video was really good. I don't know, to me it has a classic vibe, especially when you're like dancing in the water. Oh, I love that type of stuff. Fantasia, that's what it was. Fantasia. So I'm right, okay? So alright. But anyway, I just wanted to end it there. I'm right. Damn it. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, comment down below, request a video for me to react to next. As always, hit the subscribe button for more videos in the future. I'll see you guys in the future. All right, bye. I almost forgot what I was about to say.